Hey, what's going on, my friend? This is Tasche. I want to take this time to personally thank you for jumping on board and becoming a JV partner for the launch of the Plain software. Now, in this video, we're going to go over the sales funnel we have set up for the launch. So, right now, we're in my JV back office, and as you can see, the front end product is, of course, the Plain software. Now, that's being sold at $17 during the launch, and you're going to get 50% commission on that, and of course, all the products within the funnel. After the launch, the price of Plain is being moved up to its regular price of $97. So this is a great incentive for your customers to pick this up at a super low discounted price. Now, once they make their purchase, they're going to be redirected to a one-time offer for the Profit Canvas Page Builder software. Now, this software goes really well hand in hand with Plain because since with Plain, your customers are going to be creating gamified viral list building campaigns where their visitors have to actually win whatever bonus or lead magnet or gift they're offering. They can use Profit Canvas to create highly engaging, stunning, and beautiful pages to host those bonuses on. And with Profit Canvas, they can also create opt-in pages, sales pages, landing pages, webinar pages, whatever they need, and Profit Canvas will host all those pages for them. Now, normally, Profit Canvas is selling at $67 per month, or $497 one-time payment. During this launch, your customers are going to be able to get Profit Canvas at a super low discount of $27. Also, to add scarcity, and this is real true scarcity, it's not false scarcity, this is true scarcity, we're only offering 50 copies at this price. Once those 50 are sold, this is being pulled out of the funnel. Okay. Now, I've also set it up to where no matter if your customers buy or reject a one-time offer, I've set it to where you can still make more money, because no matter if they buy or not, they're still going to be moved on to the next one-time offer. All right, so whether they buy or not, they're going to be redirected to an offer for the Video Takeover software. And Video Takeover is a software that I use in my business all the time when I'm promoting affiliate products. It lets you basically take over any sales page by putting your own video over any sales page for an offer you're promoting. There's a lot of other things you can do with it. It's really cool. It's really awesome software. I love it. And that's being sold during the launch at $37. Now, this is regularly a $67 software. Also, we have scarcity added in there where we're only selling 50 copies of Video Takeover as well. So 50 copies of Profit Canvas, only 50 copies of Video Takeover. Whether or not your customers buy this or not, they're going to be moved on to the next one-time offer. Okay. The next one-time offer and the last product in the funnel is an offer for the Affiliate Track software. Now, this is something I absolutely love. I use it all the time. What this does is, now normally, when a product is being sold, only the vendor will get the email address of the buyer. What Affiliate Tracks does, and it works with JVZoo, it allows you as an affiliate to get the email addresses automatically and add them to your list of all people who buy through your affiliate links. Okay. So every time I promote a JVZoo product, I use this, and it's helped me build my list really quickly. And the great thing about it is you're building a buyer's list. Okay, that's the awesome thing about it. Now, this is being offered at $47, and we have a limited number of copies of this as well. We're only selling 25 copies at this price. So there's all that scarcity added in there. So let's go ahead and go over the funnel again real quick. We have the front end, which is the Plain software for $17. After the launch, it's moving up to $97. They're going to be sent to a one-time offer for Profit Canvas for $27. Super low discount, only 50 copies being sold. The regular price of this is $67 per month or $497 one time. Video Takeover is the next offer. Whether your customer buys the first OTO or not, they're going to be sent over to Video Takeover for the second OTO. $37 for that product. Limited 50 copies being sold. And then the final OTO is the Affiliate Track software at $47, a limit of 25 copies. Okay, so no matter if a customer buys an OTO or not, you're still going to have a chance to make more money because it's still going to move on to the next one-time offer. All right, I want to set it up that way to give you a chance to make even more sales, whether or not your customers buy a certain OTO or not. Now let's go ahead and go over take a look at the sales page real quick. I'll put the links to the sales pages in the Google Doc for the launch. So you should have, if you're on the JV list or if you're on the JV page, There should be a link to the Google Doc as well. But let's go and go over the sales page real quick. I'm not going to read them. We're just going to do a quick scan on them. Here's the Plainwin sales page. Okay, and we're just going to scroll down real quick here, and you see what's on the sales page here. And then we have the Profit Canvas sales page. All of the products are being offered with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so within 14 days, if your customers don't like it, they can get their money back on it. No questions asked. And of course, here's the video takeover sales page. And again, I know I'm moving fast in here, guys, but again, I'll be adding the links to the sales pages onto the Google Docs so you can look at them yourself. And then the affiliate tracks sales page. Now, I use all this software in my business, guys, and your customers are going to love it. Just look at the bottom here real quick. Okay, so guys, that is the funnel that we have set up for the Plainwin launch. Again, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for becoming a JV partner of Plainwin. If you have not yet gotten your review copy, make sure you get back to me as soon as possible, because the launch of Plainwin is happening in 4 days, on the 22nd of June at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so if you need a review copy to check it out and use it yourself and try it out and let your customers know how it is, make sure you get back to me right away. Okay, so I can give that to you. So with that, guys, this is Kurt. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. See you soon.